Happy Friday, Los USD. I'm Nicole Pichardo, and this is your wrap-up for Friday, February 27th, 2026. The wrap-up is back after our President's Week break, and our students and staff jump right back into learning like we never left. We'll start this week at Oak Middle School, where board member Matt Bragman joined Superintendent Dr. Pulver and Principal Castillo for a classroom walkthrough. From hands-on STEM projects and active science lab to the sounds of our choir and band, our Oak Lions were fully engaged and back in the groove. We also took time this week to celebrate the people who make our school so special. Staff at Los Alamitos Elementary were honored during our annual Longevity Pin ceremony, recognizing their years of service and commitment to Los Al USD. It's a tradition we love and a meaningful way to thank the employees who have chosen to make Los Al USD their home. Across the district, campuses continued celebrating Lunar New Year, which began on February 17th and welcomed the Year of the Horse. At Rossmoor and McGaugh, families and students came together for vibrant celebrations featuring cultural performances and activities and a very special community connection. Over at Lee Elementary, students saw their own creativity take center stage when the Imagination Machine visited the campus. This educational program brings children's stories to life through live performances, and at the same time, the stories written by Lee students were transformed into a fun and engaging assembly. Seeing their ideas come to life on stage made the experience even more meaningful. In middle school news, 8th grade students over at Oak and McAuliffe had the opportunity to explore their futures as Griffins at the LAHS Electives Fair. Students gathered to meet Los Alamitos High School teachers and students, learning about the wide range of electives available to them in high school. From arts and technology to leadership and performing arts, students were able to ask questions, discover new interests, and start envisioning their high school experience. Over at Los Alamitos High School, innovation and teamwork were on full display at the Golden Griffins Robotics Open House. Students showcased the incredible work happening across the program, from engineering and programming to fabrication, electrical systems, media, business, and marketing. Robotics is about so much more than building machines. It's about building confidence, leadership, and real-world skills. We're grateful to our community partners, including LAIF, for helping make opportunities like this possible for our students. And speaking of real-world learning, Los Alamitos High School students and staff represented 3 of our 7 career technical education pathways: engineering, emergency response, and film and television production at the annual Orange County OC Pathways event hosted by the Orange County Department of Education. CTE connects classroom learning to future careers through industry experience, certifications, and hands-on learning. It is truly a launchpad for college, career, and beyond. And finally, who says you can't go to Target during the school day? 4th graders at Weaver returned from the break to find their classroom transformed into a full Target-style shopping experience. Students practiced fractions and decimals by budgeting, pricing, and making real-world math decisions. It's another creative example of the hands-on learning happening across our district every day. And that's the wrap-up for this week. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend.